Most people get small regional banks wrong by assuming they offer the same products and services as big banks, but Mercantile Bank is unique, and knowing how it works can help you make a smarter financial choice. Today, I'll share my usage experience and insights. Mercantile Bank provides a range of personal and business banking services, including checking accounts, savings, loans, and online banking. One of the standout features is its customer service. Transactions and queries are handled quickly, often faster than larger banks. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the convenience of personalized banking. The bank's digital platform is simple and user-friendly, allowing online transfers, bill payments, and mobile deposits. While it doesn't have every feature of a major national bank, it covers all essentials efficiently. If you value speed and ease over extensive product options, Mercantile Bank is surprisingly capable. Another benefit is competitive rates on certain savings and fixed deposit accounts. While not always the highest, they are often better than big bank standard rates, and there are fewer hidden fees. Most people get this wrong by assuming smaller banks have worse rates. They can actually offer more favorable terms for loyal customers. Limitations include fewer branch locations and ATMs compared to national banks, which may be inconvenient if you travel frequently. Online payments and card usage are fine, but physical access can be limited depending on your location. In conclusion, Mercantile Bank is a solid choice if you want personalized service, straightforward digital banking, and competitive rates. Most people get this wrong by underestimating small banks sometimes. Less bureaucracy equals faster, smoother banking. Subscribe for more honest bank reviews to help you choose the right institution for your needs.